This is instruction for how to set our timer. Now, power on. Keep pressing the set for 2 seconds. Now we get into setting mode. We have preset the mode before our shipping, so you don't need to change this. It's P31. If it is not P31, we use up and down to change. P31. Okay, so we press one time set. Now it's A003 now. Pay attention. Without the point, this number means seconds. So we press up to increase, down for decrease. Okay. This one, light, means at point. This means 0.x seconds. Press again. That's 0.0x seconds. Press again. See, the point is at the last digital. Okay, this means minute. We can change it. Okay. For the video, I just said seconds to be quick. Okay, if you want to set 90 minutes, you can here. This minute. Okay. Press lap. Okay. Now I set 7. Okay. Now this is running time. A means running time, so we press set again. It's B. B is the stop time. Okay, it's the same point means. Okay, when we set it, we press set again. Now it's running time A time. Okay, running out, then it's B. Become counting. When B counting. Off, running. Thanks for watching.